What's up guys, and welcome back to this 2006 CBR600RR bike rebuild. We're almost at the finish line guys. The bike is almost complete. As you can see, we just put back the rest of the tail end. So we've got the under tray on, we've got the battery nice and hooked up. We even have the seating locking mechanism on. The exhaust is nice and secure. Everything is ready guys. So as you can see at the back, we've got our box of fairings that's ready to come out. So I'm gonna unbox those, lay them out on the floor, and then we're gonna start moving some of the old hardware from the old fairings onto our new fairings so we can get ready to put them on. But before we put them on, we're gonna top up the coolant that's in the bike, and then we're gonna drain the old oil and take out the old oil filter, put in a new one, put in fresh oil, and man, this bike is gonna run smooth. So yeah guys, we're getting there. I'm super excited. So let's take these fairings out, lay them on the floor, and just admire how beautiful they look. Look at that guys. I feel like I'm in Candyland. All these beautiful, clean, brand new fairings. Everything looks so immaculate. The paintwork is great. Just look at this guys. Look at this. Everything is crisp, no marks. I'm super happy with these fairings. I mean, you've got your tailpiece there, your windscreen, the seat cover, the belly pins, the front there for the headlight, the tank. Everything is amazing guys, and they even gave us all the other plastics we need. I mean, we've got a rear fender over there. We're not going to need it because our bike already has it, but I think we're gonna slap it on anyway. Just everything looks brand new. Like geez guys, I'm super happy with these. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take the parts from the old fairings, so all the hooks and the rubbers and everything that we need to secure our fairings onto our bike. We're gonna take them from those old fairings, put them on these new fairings, and oh guys, we're gonna be one step closer. Alright guys, so I'm about to drain the oil. As you can see, the drain plug is right over there. So I'm gonna loosen that, let the oil drip into the bucket here. Then I'm gonna undo the oil filter and also let all the remaining oil drip onto the bucket. I've got a piece of foil here. So what I normally do is I put this around the headers, and what that does is the oil that drips from the oil filter doesn't touch the headers, and that way when you start the bike after the oil change, you don't have all that smoke coming out from the hot headers with the oil here. So pro tip guys. All right, so let's do that, and then we'll top up the bike with some fresh oil right over there. And yeah, that should be it for our oil change. Alrighty, time for the oil filter. Already loosened it up a bit. So you can see it's just yeah, it's coming loose. There it is. Let's just line this up. Hopefully we don't make a mess. I think we need to pull this a little bit here. Alright, there we go guys. There we go. Oil filter's out. There's the oil draining and dripping on the foil, so we don't have to worry too much about cleaning up when we're done. Alright guys, so the oil filter didn't want to come out, so I had to undo this coolant expansion tank just so I can get the oil filter out like that. So here we have the new oil filter side by side with the old one. So we're gonna chuck that over there. We're gonna dab a little bit of oil in there, and then just put a little bit around the seal here, this rubber seal. I'm not gonna put more oil in there just because this thing is angled at a 90-degree angle, so if we put too much, it's just gonna spill out. So let's put this baby in. There we go. And typically with oil filters guys, you don't want to over tighten them, so just hand tight should be good enough. All right, guys, so the bike is actually done right now, and geez, this thing came together so nicely. The fairings look beautiful. Everything just came together so nicely, guys. And I didn't shoot the install of the front fairings and the headlight because you guys would have been able to see how the bike looks like. And I want to do a nice reveal of this bike. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it outside and then do some nice cinematics of the bike, cover all the areas that we did. Then we'll do a walk around and just admire these fairings, the work that's went into this bike, all the pieces that we fixed and replaced, all of that stuff. So yeah, guys, let's get this bike outside and see how it looks like. Jeez, guys, look at this. How beautiful does the CBR look like? Jeez, guys, like, I cannot stop drooling over this bike. The colors, the new fairings came out perfect. You'd never tell this bike was in a front end smash. Like, and what is a CBR without the Repsol fairings? We went a little bit different here, except for the orange. We went the black, white, and gray route, and I think they look amazing. Those white tire pinstripings there, I think also just make the fairings pop a little bit nicer. Jeez, guys, with the gold forks there, I mean, this bike is beautiful in every angle. We've got our new headlights fitted on the bike. Jeez, guys, I literally cannot stop drooling over this bike. All right, guys, so let's just go over all of the things we've done to this bike to get it to this point. So we've got the frame painted, we've got the swing arm painted, we've got the side stand also painted, the rear subframe was also, the subframe always get these things mixed up, is also straightened and looking nice. The tailpiece, the exhaust is fitted and nice and secure. We've got those lovely pinstripes going over the wheel there. The wheel is also painted. It was previously like a metallic gray, nice and painted there. We've got our brake lever that's straightened. Guys, this bike. And then we've got our wheel here that was bent, is also nice and straightened, painted as well. Then we've also got the pinstriping there going in the front. Oh man, what else, guys? We've got our gauge cluster here that's nice and secure. Everything is working. Everything is fitted nicely. We've got our bar ends here. We've got the black ones. Your brakes are working, the clutch is also working there. We've got our headlights. We've got these flush mount indicators on the bike. And geez, guys, what I'm gonna do in the next video, I'm gonna take this bike for a test ride, go to a meetup with the guys and get a first reaction of what they think actually about the bike, from how it used to look like to how it looks like now. Awesome, guys. So thank you so much for watching this part 4 of the CBR600RR bike rebuild. Please like the video if you enjoyed this, subscribe to watch more videos, and yeah, click the bell icon to get notified when I upload another video, and catch you guys on the next episode. Peace out.